Welcome. Thanks for joining us here today on this freezing cold Alberta morning for the first episode in the series of A Noddy Tale, Road to Redemption. Breaking this door off. My name is Darren Neal, and today we're going to go through just exactly what this machine is, the purpose that it served, who invented it, why it was created, how old it actually is, and just the need that it fulfilled. Without this machine, we wouldn't be where we are today, especially with exploration, oil and gas, economy, everything. So stick around for the ride, hope you enjoy it, and you may learn a thing or two today. Plus, we've got two of the old girls to show off to you guys, so hope you enjoy it. Now, before we get into all of that, let me show you what brought us here today. Behind me is Imperial Oil's the Duke No. 1 drilling rig. This site marked Canada's independence from American oil imports. This, however, did not happen overnight. The prairies stretched out before us, the fields bursting with golden grain. We're all set for harvest. But while some men yearned for this bounty, others sought a different kind of harvest. A harvest that we so desperately needed. Imperial Oil, founded in 1880, began exploring that harvest in Western Canada's golden fields in the 1910s. For 3 decades, they wound up empty-handed. However, this all changed on February 13th, 1947, when the Duke No. 1 blew out. Imperial Oil struck black gold. The moment when that well blew out, everything changed. The landscape started to shift. With new derricks rising up, the good weather and bad, the work didn't stop. Investments began to pour in, as the demand for advanced machinery was needed, in order to navigate the Alberta muskeg in search of fresh drilling sites. That's where William Bruce Nodwell stepped in. Born in 1914, the small homestead of Asquith, Saskatchewan, this avid inventor landed in Calgary, Alberta in 1936. During the oil boom, many machines were contracted to traverse the challenges of the Alberta prairies in search of oil. Because of Bruce's successful patent in the field, Imperial Oil contracted Bruce to develop 2 vehicles of their design to prove mobility over the muskeg. Both of the Imperial Oil designs were unsuccessful in traversing the muskeg and set Bruce to develop his own track mobility machines. His first designs, North Kings, had also failed. Seeing the setback, he went back to the drawing board. In 1955, he developed these. A double sprocket system that made it possible to keep the wide tracks under the vehicle with just a single row of wheels. His innovation led to the creation of the Scout Car, a small yet powerful machine with a 1-ton capacity. Now, to fully showcase these incredible machines, please join us on our road to redemption. Now we're gonna go wake up Lane. Whew. Man, it's getting a little frosty out here. Alright guys, 3 in the morning. Got out decent time. Want to be a bit earlier, but you know, not too bad. Head over to Lane's house now. He has no idea I'm coming by, so hopefully he's not too pissed off when I wake him up. Smack him around there a little bit in bed to get him out. And we're off to Zama City, Alberta. Didn't know this place existed. We got load up to the old 40-footer and should be good. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, come on. Alright guys, I just got all these coats come up. I don't know what's going on here. This is not the situation I wanted to be in this morning. It's 3 in the morning, getting ready to get this trailer tagged up, and my transmission is just not wanting to survive anymore. I've been trying to manually shift it here from 5th to 6th. It will not go. Got down to 4th, and now I can't get it even back into 5th. We're just riding the RPMs here. Shift truck. Yeah, this is not good here. Put it in manual mode. 3rd gear. Won't get out of 3rd gear now. Put it into 4th. Won't shift. Come on. Alright guys, just got to Lane's house. I'm sure he's still passed out in the shop. He's out working the car there pretty late last night. Well, let's go wake him up and see if he's in. He even left the gates open, what a dummy. Hey, Lane, I got you coffee.
Hmm?
You in or are you out?
What? What do you mean, am I in?
Well, are you in or are you out?
Stop. What do you mean, am I in or am I out?
Like, all right, you know what? You're right. I'm moving too quick. You in or are you out?
What do you mean, am I in or out?
No questions. Just you in or
Okay,
you
I'm out. I'm out.
Well, I'm sorry. You're already in. You've been in this whole time.
Well, why'd you even ask me?
Because I thought you were going to be like, oh, I'm in. Let's have this awesome road trip today. But too bad. You're in.
What are we doing?
Oh, we need a truck, by the way.
What?
Good. Straddle that side.
That's Rick. Might as well pop her off. She's thirsty.
Okay, we're almost there.
You excited?
16 hours later, yeah.
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 1,300 kilometers?
400 liters of fuel. Used to dodge my fourth gear the whole way here.
Oh yeah, no, that would be a long drive.
You know what they call 68 RPs, right?
What?
68, really fucking expensive.
Yeah. I don't know how much more north we can drive. We're almost on
1
the
hour.
road.
1
Yeah.
hour, that's all we got.
Yeah, then we're on a road. So where's this industrial park in here?
I think see that white sign?
Yeah.
Pull into there.
Okay.
Zama City.
Zama City.
Get a picture on the way out with that thing.
Yeah. What's the industrial park? Down here?
Yeah, I see there's the auction yard here.
Yeah.
Oh, you see him yet? Oh, there's a skid steer right there. There's our guy. We're gonna be in here somewhere.
A peekaboo? No peekaboo. Where are they?
Okay, we're lost. Keep looking around for some little red things.
Yeah. Maybe we'll go see Buddy with the skid steer.
Any chance you race with that? Any chance you race? No, but you need a Nodwell? Yeah, doable. Here, I'll meet you there. Where are they? I'll meet you. You'll see the old junk shop there. Okay. I'll meet you over there.
Okay.
Where are you, my children?
Jump.
Oh, I think I see it.
Oh,
I see something red.
I see something bright orange. Oh,
Oh,
there's
there's
one.
one, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, there's a lot of shit here.
Yeah.
Where's the other one, though?
Alright, let's go play Dora the Explorer.
She's tiny.
Yeah, she is.
I think she's a 21.
Yeah. That's the junker.
Yeah, it's tiny. That's almost better, though. Sprockets are...
Sprockets are there. No parking sign. Shoved in the seat.
How am I gonna fit in this thing, man?
I don't know. You gotta put air seats in them. Alright, where's this other one?
There's a freaking winch on here. You found it? I like this. It's like a lowrider.
Yeah, no, they're tiny.
Yeah, they're 21s for sure.
Yeah.
See, this one has brand new sprockets on it.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah.
This one's got a fucking run, or at least ran recently.
Yeah. Looks like all the tires, or no, one tire's off. You need a tire.
Oh, yeah, it's, yeah.
So it's ran in the 90s at least.
Yeah. Oh, here's the Lamaquid on there. Yeah. Serial number's on there with a plate behind it.
Yeah.
Hi Rita. Hey, I'm here. The guys are here to grab those couple of orange Nodwells. Or little. Yeah. Is there any keys for those?
Maybe the plates all rusted out here in the front there.
Yeah. It's a common thing on them because it's wood down on the bottom for the floor. We got some sheet metal work. They're adorable though.
Oh man, they're tiny compared to what I thought.
Oh, I know. I'm so happy they're small. Dude, they're sick.
I know, I'm stoked.
They're sick. That one's definitely got new drives on it.
Yeah.
Newer drives.
Yeah.
Oh man, they're just on leaf suspension. Because yeah, these are old because the other ones, they're torque axles on them. These are just leaf, man, that's just trailer axles. That's
No, this is torsion. Like,
these ones, yeah.
Torsion, yeah.
These ones are, but those ones are just leaf springs.
Yeah.
Hey, open up the door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the driver's side.
Yeah.
Now this is the owner. This was the last time he drove it. Yeah. Open up the door. You sit in the seat. If you reach out with your left hand, down the window.
Yeah.
There should be a piece of angle iron. He said the key should be up there.
Oh, Jesus. Up over the window. Piece of angle.
Oh,
Oh.
no, that's
Are you there? Put everything here, man. Like it runs like a top. We just bought a couple of trucks, fired it up, boom. Yeah. Come right to life.
Yeah.
Yeah, he said they should be right there. He said unless the kids got in there and stole them. Yeah. Not there, eh? Go check the floor, maybe. Unless they fell down.
A tiny one.
Oh,
the key's in it, you dumbass.
Well, it's the other one in there to be
Yeah.
up in there.
Yeah. The key's in it. So he thinks 07, 08's when he's got parked.
Oh yeah, no, like I remember I literally had a scar on my nose.
Yeah.
Because I was in the back and we were all drunk and fucking around. Bang! He got the fucking beaver rut. As soon as I get the beaver rut, I fucking get it coming and I bunked my nose on the back corner.
Yeah. Yeah, you're good. Number 2 coming up, getting ready to go. These things are so cool, man. So freaking cool.
thought they were 15 feet, right? So like we need the big trailer and then get here and they're not 15 feet. You want to push on this bar right here, just go straight back out, you go right ahead. You go that way anyway, yeah. We're going to take and dull them up a little bit, clean them up, get them running, and we're going to do a bunch of random bullshit with them. Yes, sir. Thank you. Much appreciated. Really, really big help. Because, yeah, we were going to end up having a lynch or figuring it out one way or another. You're all drinking one night, no doors, Oh no! Yeah. Well, that's awesome. I'm glad that they run so, or they have ran recently.
Oh, geez. Well, everything in this yard ran.
Yeah.
Like, there's nothing here that didn't run. So, to get it fed, it's all gas, so it's not
Yeah.
big.
Oh, yeah. No, I really appreciate all the help there, man. It's awesome.
Oh, you love it.
Oh, I'm super excited for them. I can't wait.
No, and I can guarantee you, everything that was in this yard, if you look at it, looks like garbage, but everything.
All right, well, I'll help Lane here load up.
All right, guys, well, have fun.
Yeah, let's
Thanks, John. Yeah, you bet.
Alright guys, day 2 here. Leaving high level. Been a long drive. Got about 13 more hours to go. Roads are doing alright. It's pretty foggy this morning. We'll get these old girls home. Just an early one. How are you feeling this morning?
Tired.
Oh, another 13 hours to go.
Yeah.
Might as well waddle down here.
Fucking jinxed it.
What'd you do, Darren?
Now we launch a drone into the trees.
Yeah,
In 1 minute, you're on the road looking at the scenery. Next minute, you're in the scenery looking up the road.
yeah. You know what though? This is our first hurdle on this full road trip.
Honestly, yeah. usual. "3,000 kilometers. 2 days later, they have found their home."
Okay. Wow. That's her.
How was that?
Okay, so next time when I'm in, I'm not in. Are you in?
Fuck.
Too late. You're already in. No.
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 I just heard you agree. You're already in. So.
Fuck.
No.
That was a road trip and a half.
2 days. Yeah. Oh my God.
At 6 hours notice. Good morning.
Yeah.
Are you
I'm
in?
here. You're in. I'm into what? You're just in.
You're just in. Go get the trailer. By the way,
Get loaded.
you need a truck.
Well, I'm tired. 2 days, 3,000 kilometers, 30 plus hours of driving. It's been one hell of a road trip. When we were looking at buying these things, it was just a joke. Now it's time to have some fun. Hope you guys enjoy what we're gonna go with next. We got some wicked ideas for this machine, so stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe because you're not gonna want to miss this. This is gonna be something you've never seen before.